Hi everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. This is another quick and easy square that you can make on top of the stove. It's called Butterscotch Peanut Butter Marshmallow Squares. This recipe was given to me by a very good friend many years ago. She was an elderly lady named Ethel, and even though I was only about 8 years old, I would always ask her for recipes, and she always graciously obliged. So stay with me and I'll share this recipe with you. So without any further ado, let's get started. Using a large saucepan, melt half a cup of butter. Then add 2 cups of butterscotch chips. Now put that on over a low heat and stir it until it's melted. Now you don't want to be cooking it, you just want to melt it until it's dissolved. While you're going through the process of it melting, stir it very vigorously so that it stays nice and smooth and doesn't stick to the bottom. Now add 1 cup of peanut butter and remove it from the heat and stir that in until it's well combined. So now it's starting to dissolve pretty good. We're going to add a half a cup of coconut. Now after adding the coconut, you'll notice that this will be the texture it will turn out to be. If you want it to be a little bit smoother, you don't have to add the coconut, that's an option. Now once the mixture is cooled off, add 2 cups of colored marshmallows. Then stir that in until the marshmallows are well coated. Then prepare a 9 by 11 inch pan and put parchment paper in the bottom. Now dump your marshmallow mixture into the pan and then take a spoon and smooth it out until it's nice and even. Then you can sprinkle the top with a little bit of coconut and put it in the fridge and let it set for a few hours. Once it's set, it will harden up nicely and it'll be easy to remove from the pan. So now that it's nice and set, I will take it out and turn it upside down and remove the parchment paper. Now then take a sharp knife and cut it into whatever sizes you would like it to be. So this is a large pan and it makes a lot of squares. So I'm just cutting it into bite-sized pieces today and then storing them. Now this can be made up ahead of time and put in the freezer, and then just take out as many as you need whenever you need it. So it's an excellent square to have on hand during the holiday season. The butterscotch and peanut butter blend make for a nice base to complement the marshmallows. This is also nice on a platter with mixed goodies because it adds nice color. So this is a quick and easy square that you can make up in no time, and I hope you enjoy it.